Gbogbo ọ̀dọ́ Nàìjíríà lápapọ̀ mà ti jáde o. Wọ́n ní àwọn ò ní gbà ó dìgbà tí EFCC bá fi VDM múlẹ̀ káwọn tó sinmi o. Ṣé wá rí o, wọ́n ní lórí ibi tá a bá dé èyí tí EFCC ò bá gbà lẹ́rọ̀ àfi kán gbà líle o, torí wọn ò rí ẹ̀sùn kan gbòógì tí wọ́n fi kan VDM o. Wọ́n ní wọ́n mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ ṣe mọ́lé ni o, àmọ́ lórí eléyìí wọ́n ti bùkù o, wọ́n tiẹ̀ tún wà bùtán ní yányán. Ẹ wá gbọ́ bí àwọn ọ̀dọ́ bí wọ́n ṣe ń pariwo pẹ̀lú ìtara níwájú géètì EFCC. Ó yá ẹ gbọ́, ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé àbí kẹ́ fìdílé nǹkan, mò ń bọ̀ ná.
I can't even sleep because of video.
We have spoken with authorities yesterday before even he came here. Our director, executive secretary, was able to make a few calls to know what is happening, and they promised him that the man is going to be released. He made calls yesterday when you came here, and we were informed he made calls, and those calls I think has yielded results, because they are promised they were going to release him within 24 hours.
Okay.
We are still going to follow up with them. We are still going to follow up with them to make sure that VDM rights is protected. It is not only
Free VDM. Jojo is here from Lagos. Free VDM. How she gonna learn? Free VDM.
Type of protest where we come and stay there for days, hours. If we give them time to plot and send new people to affect us, but we're not about that. We're using time as our advantage. You understand? Once we achieve, they've seen all of us. They know that yes, this agenda. We are coming tomorrow, and they don't know when we are coming. Yes. We are using our intelligence system. We should not be stupid and act like we used to do. If not, we become victims. We're not trying to be victims. We're trying to play smart and avoid problems. The minute we're leaving GT Bank, that's when they started coming. They send people to come. So we beat them to time. We are going to use that time as an advantage. Next time, we are going to make an announcement. Nobody's going to know when we're coming out. They'll be surprised. Or just people just come. 10 minutes and we're out. No.
Want to put a number in the group.
Yes. Anywhere you guys are from where?
Okay,
see, I'm going to make a post today, right? I'm going to make a post. Please just stay tuned. I'll post and I'll talk about it.
Because of this.
Look at them now. Look at them now.
VDM is not the problem. Yes.
Many people
Yes. Free VDM. EFCC free VDM. VDM is not the problem.
Free VDM.